Crash course on Japan. Why so modern and rich? Japan is a country known for its advanced technology, modern infrastructure, and thriving economy. This small island nation in East Asia has a long and fascinating history, but it is its post-World War II recovery and modernization efforts that have made it a world leader in many areas. Japan's modernization efforts began in earnest during the Meiji Restoration in 1868, when the country's feudal system was abolished and the emperor was restored to power. This led to a period of rapid industrialization and modernization, with Japan quickly becoming a major player on the world stage. By the early 20th century, Japan had become a leading producer of steel, textiles, and other goods. However, Japan's ambitions led it to become involved in World War II, which resulted in its defeat and devastation by Allied forces. The country was left in ruins, with its infrastructure destroyed and its people suffering from the effects of the war. But Japan's post-war recovery was nothing short of remarkable. With the help of the United States and other allies, Japan embarked on a period of rebuilding and modernization that transformed the country into one of the world's leading economies. Japan's government and business leaders embraced innovation and technology, leading to advances in fields such as electronics, automotive manufacturing, and robotics. One of the keys to Japan's success has been its strong focus on education and research. Japanese schools are known for their high standards and rigorous curriculum, and the country has some of the world's top universities. Japanese companies also invest heavily in research and development, leading to breakthroughs in fields such as biotechnology and renewable energy. Japan's culture has also played a role in its success. Japanese society places a high value on hard work, dedication, and teamwork. This has led to a strong work ethic among Japanese people and a willingness to put in long hours to achieve success. The country's emphasis on harmony and respect for others has also contributed to a stable and peaceful society. One interesting example of Japan's innovation and modernization is the Shinkansen, or bullet train. The first Shinkansen line was opened in 1964, just in time for the Tokyo Olympics, and it revolutionized travel in Japan. The Shinkansen's high speed and reliability made it a popular choice for travelers, and it remains a symbol of Japan's technological prowess to this day. Another example is Japan's focus on renewable energy. In the wake of the Fukushima nuclear disaster in 2011, Japan began to shift away from its reliance on nuclear power and toward renewable sources such as solar and wind power. The country has set ambitious targets for increasing its use of renewable energy and is now a world leader in this area. Despite its successes, Japan still faces challenges. The country's aging population and low birth rate are putting a strain on its social welfare system, and its economy has been stagnant in recent years. However, Japan's history of resilience and innovation suggests that it will continue to adapt and thrive in the years to come. Japan's unique culture and traditions also attract many visitors from around the world. From the intricate art of bonsai cultivation to the graceful movements of traditional Japanese dance, Japan offers a wealth of cultural experiences for tourists to enjoy. One of the most iconic aspects of Japanese culture is its cuisine. Japanese food is known for its delicate flavors and beautiful presentation, and it has gained a global following in recent years. From sushi and ramen to wagyu beef and matcha tea, Japanese cuisine offers a wide variety of dishes to suit all tastes. Japan is also known for its fashion and design. Japanese fashion designers such as Yohji Yamamoto and Rei Kawakubo have gained international fame for their avant-garde designs, while Japanese technology companies such as Sony and Panasonic have produced some of the world's most innovative products. One interesting aspect of Japan's culture is its emphasis on politeness and respect. Japanese people are known for their courteous and polite behavior, and this is reflected in everything from the way they greet each other to the way they conduct business. This emphasis on respect has also contributed to Japan's low crime rate and high levels of social cohesion. Another interesting aspect of Japan's history is its relationship with the United States. After Japan's defeat in World War II, the country was occupied by American forces, and Japan's new constitution was largely written by American advisors. This led to a period of close cooperation between the two countries, and Japan became a key ally of the United States in the Cold War. In recent years, Japan has faced a number of challenges, including natural disasters such as the 2011 earthquake and tsunami and the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. However, the country's resilience and innovative spirit suggest that it will continue to thrive and remain a leader in technology, culture, and economics. One of the factors that has contributed to Japan's economic success is its emphasis on education. Japan has a highly educated population, with a literacy rate of nearly 100%, and the country has invested heavily in its education system. Japanese schools are known for their rigorous academic standards, and many Japanese students attend after-school tutoring programs to help them excel. Japan's economy is also known for its emphasis on innovation and efficiency. Japanese companies such as Toyota and Honda have revolutionized the automotive industry with their production techniques, and Japanese electronics companies such as Sony and Toshiba have produced some of the world's most advanced technologies. Another important factor in Japan's economic success is its government's focus on trade. Japan has a highly export-oriented economy, and the country has worked hard to establish trade relationships with other nations around the world. Japan is a member of the World Trade Organization and has signed free trade agreements with a number of countries, including the United States and Australia. Japan's culture of hard work and dedication has also contributed to its economic success. Japanese workers are known for their long hours and commitment to their jobs, and this has helped to make Japan one of the most productive countries in the world. However, this culture of overwork has also been criticized for contributing to high levels of stress and mental health issues. Despite its many achievements, Japan also faces a number of challenges. The country's population is aging rapidly, and its birth rate is low, which has led to concerns about a shrinking workforce and rising healthcare costs. Japan also faces ongoing tensions with neighboring countries such as North Korea and China. In conclusion, Japan's success can be attributed to a variety of factors, including its emphasis on education, innovation, efficiency, and trade. Its unique culture and traditions have also contributed to its global influence, and its ongoing challenges suggest that Japan will continue to adapt and evolve in the years to come. Here is a poem on Japan. Land of the rising sun, Japan. With beauty that takes my breath away. From the cherry blossom trees in bloom, to the bustling streets of Tokyo, where people sway. The culture and traditions so unique. From tea ceremonies to sumo wrestling. The food that delights the senses. Sushi, ramen, and tempura dishes so enticing. The samurai spirit runs deep. Honor, respect, and diligence at its core. From the bullet trains speeding by, to the neon lights and cityscape galore. The history and traditions so rich. Temples, shrines, and gardens of tranquility. From Mount Fuji towering high, to the beauty of Kyoto's serenity. Innovation and technology at its forefront, with cutting-edge advancements to behold. From robots to bullet trains, Japanese ingenuity never gets old. A land of contrasts, beauty, and grace. Japan captivates and inspires, with a blend of old and new. It's a country that never tires. So here's to Japan, with its beauty and might. A country that shines so bright. May it continue to flourish and thrive, and inspire us all to reach new heights. ***, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.